Hello, hounds of justice, and welcome to another reaction to movie trailers for the week of August 9th, 2019. There are actually 4 movies that came out for this week, actually. I have this first one right for you guys. I had to go on YouTube for this one. And the movie is called The Art of Waiting in the Rain. Here is the movie trailer for it.
No race was ever won in the first corner, but many have been lost there. I should know. I was born to be a race car driver, but there's only one problem. That's not me. That's me.
Oh.
He picked me out of a pile of pups, tangled mass of claws and tails.
This one. Definitely this one.
The pick of the litter.
She always said that.
Well, just a minute now. We were thinking of keeping them.
He always said that too.
Hey.
Call it fate, call it luck. All I knew was I was meant to be his dog.
So you like that, huh?
Like it. I loved it. Sounds, smells. I felt like I truly belonged. In racing, your car goes where your eyes go.
Ooh.
Not really much of a dog person.
He's more person than dog.
Denny was clearly taken with her grooming. She probably
Yeah.
bathed every day for all I knew.
Does he always stare at people like this?
If he likes them.
The best drivers don't dwell on the future or the past. The best drivers focus only on the present.
This summer, meet the dog who will how to be human.
Curves life will throw at you. But if a driver has the courage to create his own conditions, then the rain is simply rain. But for now, all I want is one more lap. Faster, Denny. Faster.
Oh, sweet boy, come here.
It must be amazing to have a body that can carry an entire creature inside. I just hoped it would look like me.
And this movie is pretty interesting. I know who would go see this movie with me, and that would be my aunt. She loves everything that involves cats and dogs and all that stuff. So yeah, I would definitely go see this. Yeah. But there are 3 other movies that I am going to view for you guys after this video.